we need to talk about my hair. Hi, welcome back to You and Me Time. We have to do some damage control. The last few weeks, I've been noticing a lot of shedding happening. Maybe I'll have some clips of some clump clips. So here's what my hair looks like. I've had split dye since November 2019. I haven't bleached it since the summertime. And the last video I did this dark blue, and this is what it's faded into, this silvery gray. It's really pretty, I like it, but the quality of my hair is just gross. It doesn't look good unless I straighten it or use heat on it, and I want it to not be at that point. Even if I put it in a ponytail or something, it just frizzes out and it doesn't look good at all. So I need to do a deep mask. I picked up some biotin pills, and I'm going to start taking a multivitamin, so maybe that will help. But it's been getting out of control. I need to do something to fix it. So I did some research this morning on YouTube about some hair masks, stuff you can do at home, because I didn't want to go anywhere and don't want to spend any money. So I rummaged through my fridge and my cabinets, and this is what I found. I'm going to start with the egg. 1 teaspoon of the lime juice. I don't want too much acid because I think that might dry out my hair more. I don't have honey, so I'm going to do a tablespoon of agave. I'm going to do a half tablespoon of this body oil. I've used it in my hair before and it smells really good, so hopefully it'll mask all this mayonnaise scent. I mean, I love mayonnaise, but putting it in my hair is going to be interesting. I'm just going to use one of my regular spoons. Do a glob of it. Oh, I'll do another half a glob. Just gonna do a couple squirts of this. I don't want this to have an overall effect on it because I want to know if these natural ingredients work, but this will just be kind of, again, to mask the smell and to kind of blend everything together. So I'll do 4 pumps. Then we've got coconut oil. I'll use a smaller spoon. I have used a mask made of only coconut oil before, and it works really well. So I think adding all of this together with it will really make it work, I hope. So I'm doing 2 spoons of coconut oil. Now I'm going to blend. What I got was this creamy mixture. They talk about massaging the scalp, so I'm gonna start doing that more and do it throughout this mask treatment. Mayonnaise. Well, I need more. I just mixed up more mayonnaise, agave, conditioner, and essential oil, body oil. I didn't blend it this time, I'm just mixing it in the bowl. It feels like it's soaking it in really well. Like, it's not dripping off or anything, it's just kind of coating it, and it feels like it's using the ingredients. Actually, the lime is the smell that stands out the most to me. Lime is pretty strong. But underneath that it's mayonnaise, and then it smells like pickles or something. I'm gonna wrap it up, let it sit for an hour. All right, let's go. 1 hour. Okay, this is how my hair turned out. looks kind of the same. To my natural hair color, it added more of a shine, which is what it was supposed to do. The ends are still, you know, bleach fried. It feels interesting. It feels like there's a coating of something on it and it feels stronger. The smell didn't linger, so that's good. This side though, it feels very hard, dry. It shouldn't be dry though, right? Well, it's like dry but has oily residue-ish stuff. I don't know. So I just blow dried it and brushed it. That's all I did here. This is how much hair I lost in the shower when I was rinsing it out. Is that abnormal or is that like normal? Because I feel like that was a lot. It was just like coming out in clumps, and I'm not saying it was from this mask, I'm just saying like that's how bad my hair is right now. So if anyone has any recommendations, please help me out. But then after I was done blow drying and I brushed it, I didn't brush it before I blow dried it. I barely had any hair come out in the brush, so that was different. There's some shine. Yeah, I mean, it was cheap, easy. If it worked a little bit, then that's fine. Maybe I'll keep doing it. Maybe I'll just keep doing coconut oil. Maybe I'll just shave my head. It feels nice. It feels stronger. It's just a weird texture. I can't describe it. I don't know. If any of you like movies or podcasts about movies, my friend Jake and I have a podcast called Film Therapy. We watch movies each week and discuss them, and then we prescribe a movie for everyone to watch the next week, so we talk about that. And it's on any type of listening service you have. So if you'd like that, if you think that's interesting, you can check that out. I will link it down below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.